Yeah, Patonga is not really good, so I'm going to speak English. On behalf of the... to come to you for the life of me after their father. And I apologize. I'm not really too familiar with this part. But who else would they put later for that? Something.
Di kata kerja dua, kaya kata bukti bahu, ya ini ko ati, koi kalau kalama koi ni koi kosi ngai ulu koi ita ulu nganga patonga, koi malolo pete tamai koi kosi ete ulu koi so pete last respect ete tamai ai Kosi Ulu. And you all know Fonga Kosi Ulu, it has to be way up here. Koe Fonga Totonu ya ka koe me ape ai fahu pai te riha ki he Kosi. Ka ole pe ke si iwa he atu